Parents, teachers, and esteemed guests. Firstly, I would like to welcome Mr. Afsar, the President of We Care Educational Trust, Mysore. Come, sir. Today, the chief guest of the event is Sri R. Shripal, the State Secretary of KPCC Unorganized Workers Division. We welcome you, sir. I would request Mr. Afsar to felicitate our chief guest. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. I welcome you all to our annual fancy dress competition. Today we gather to celebrate creativity, imagination and the vibrant spirit of our students. Our young stars have put in tremendous effort from historical figures to fantastical creatures. The stage is set for a colorful and captivating display of talent. This competition is not just about the costumes but about the confidence and creativity each participant brings. We encourage everyone to support our students with applause and cheers as they step into their roles and shine brightly. Let us embrace the fun and enthusiasm of the day and remember that every participant is a winner in their own right. Thank you all for being here to witness this wonderful event. Now I would like to call upon Miss Ume Kulsum to take over the stage and begin the competition. Thank you, Miss Shifa. So, Miss Shifa has already welcomed everyone. Now, without waiting, let us start the event. Our playgroup children are ready with their performance. Firstly, I would like to call on the stage Mr. Adnan as police. Parents, please encourage our little ones. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Adnan Police. Adnan Police. I am studying garden. Thank you. Ma'am, Ganav. Thank you. Everyone, good morning. I am Adya. I am studying in We Care kindergarten. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Adya. That was amazing. Next is our cute little Miss Divitya as Rocket Chandrayan. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. Good morning, everyone. My name is Divitya. Very good. I am Chandrayan. Rocket. Chandrayan 3. Thank you. Very good. Please give a huge round of applause to Divitya. Next we have little princess Miss Eva. Parents, please encourage our little ones. Thank you, Eva. That was lovely. Next we have our little Mr. Ganam as Kanakadasa. Next, I would like to call upon Angel Krishika. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. Good morning, everyone. My name is I am Princess. Thank you. Now we have Malvin as Lord Rama. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause. Next is Miss Shamita as a doctor.
Dr. Shamita. Come, come.
Hey, Sunita.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
My name is.
My name is Shamita.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, Shamita. That was delightful. Next, we have Miss Vanshika on the stage, whose topic is Save the Girl Child. Parents, please give them a huge round of applause.
Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
everyone.
My name is
My name is
Vanshika.
Vanshika.
I am
I am
Save
a
Girl Child.
doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Parents, please clap. Thank you, Vanshika. Now we have completed with our playgroup children. Let us call upon our nursery session. Firstly, we have Miss Ashvi as toothpaste.
Ashvi.
Good morning.
Shifa, next Anvita.
My name is Ashvi. I am a toothpaste. Thank you. I'll hold you too. करो Ashvi. Thank you, Ashvi.
Next, we have Miss Anvita as shapes.
Good morning.
Thank you, Miss Shifa. So, Miss Shifa has already welcomed everyone. Now, without waiting,
Thank you.
Women. Next, we have Gaishka as cute little Krishna.
My name is
I
Ganishka.
Ganishka.
I am Lord
Sanvi next. Women next Sanvi.
Thank you.
Now we have our paper queen, Miss Sanvi.
Come.
Next
Sit. Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
everyone.
My name is
My name is
Sanvi.
Shifa next.
I
Dhani.
am newspaper
newspaper
queen.
queen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, Sanvi.
Thank you, Sanvi. That was really great.
Smile. Good morning,
Shifa,
everyone.
Shakuntala.
My name is Darvi. I am
I am
Dolo 250. Thank you. Very good.
Now we have Ruchika as cute little Shakuntala. Give a huge round of applause.
Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
everyone.
Shifa next Zian.
My name
Ah, Ruchika.
is Rika.
I am Shakuntala.
Shamatala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, Ruchika. That was wonderful.
She's showing there also.
Let us call upon Mr. Zian, who has become Brinjal.
Hello friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My
My
name is
name is
Shifa next is Hasnain, no? Shifa.
Vijay.
Where is
Joel. I am Zian.
And Sian.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then bingo. Vegetable. Fire. Ali.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Zian. That was fantastic. Now we have Master Mr. Hasnan as Tipu Sultan. Please, parents, give a huge round of applause.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hasnain. I am Tipu Sultan. Very good.
Thank you, Hasnan. That was really great. Now let us call our cute little Sadafar as Charlie Chaplin.
Everyone, my name is
Rayan
Dhawan.
Viraj.
I am Charlie Chaplin. Thank you. Very good.
Thank you, Sadafar. That was amazing. Next is Mr. Viraj as Rabbit.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Viraj.
Next
I am. Ah, hello, rabbit.
Thank you, Viraj. That was really great. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Atal as Ray. Parents, please give a huge round of applause.
Morning, everyone. I am Athar. I am grapes. Which grapes you are? Black color grapes.
Shiva, next Harsha.
Thank you, Athar.
Thank you, Atal. That was wonderful. Next is Mr. Harsha as military boy. Parents, please give a huge round of applause.
Everyone. My name is.
Emma, next is Zara.
I am.
Shiva, Rayan came. What is it?
Thank you.
Now we have Miss Zara as cute little fairy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Zara. I am cute little fairy. Say fairy. Thank you. Thank you, Zara.
Thank you, Zara. It was wonderful. Next is our Mr. Cute Little Police Vivan.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. बोलो विवान जो पकड़ो. Good morning.
Thank you, Vivan. That was wonderful. Finally, we have our Mr. Rayan as Mango.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rayan.
Shifa,
I am
Danya.
Mango. Thank you.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೀತೋ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಶೇಷಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನು 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you.
Now the list is out. Let us start with playgroup. First prize goes to Divitya RP.
Give a huge round of
Give a huge round of applause.
Divitya was Chandraya. Hold baby Divitya.
Second prize goes to Shamita. Third prize goes to Vanshika Singh.
Congratulations, Vanshika.
Give a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Vanshika.
Adya, Manvit, Adnan, Krishika, Ganav.
Eva. Next is congratulations, Adya. Where is Manmit? From nursery also. And you have done a great job today. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Arshad, the President of Vegan Educational Trust Mysore. Give a huge round of applause. Now let us start with LKG students. Firstly, I would like to call Ms. Kanya and cute little Shakuntala. Give a huge round of applause.
Everyone.
Everyone.
My name is
My name is
Ganya.
Ganya.
School name is
And school is
VK
Vikram
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Now
Now
I have been
English
as
chess
Shakuntala.
Shakuntala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ganya. That was fabulous. Next we have Miss Yashika as King of the Fruit Mango. Give a huge round of applause.
My name is Shishika. I am Mango. I am Mango Flower. I am King of Fruits.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Please give a huge round of applause. I would like to call upon Miss Rachel as an edible fruit pineapple. Please give a huge round of applause.
I'm Rishit. Stay with me.
My name is Nisha. I am pineapple.
Thank you.
Please clap. Now we have Adya as Kittur Rani Channamma.
Thank you, everyone.
My name is Aryan. I am studying in LKG. Kindergarten. Kukurani Channamma. Thank you.
Finally, Mr. Faizan has become Sultan of Mysore. Faizan. Look, Faizan.
My name is Umar Hiran.
I'm studying
I'm studying in LKG. My school name is VK Kindergarten. Today I began Tipu Sultan, King of Mysore.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now it's time to announce the winners of the event. Nursery session. Nursery session, first place goes to Salvi as newspaper queen. Second prize goes to Arthur as Grace. Parents, please clap for Arthur. Third prize goes to Ruchika as Shakuntala. Second prize goes to Danishka. Anvita. Parents, please encourage our little ones.
Thank you, Adya.
Ada. Ayam. Sudah. Sudah.
Hi, Divitya. Good morning.
Ada.
Morning, everyone. My name is Divitya. Very good. I am Chandrayan. Rocket. Chandrayan 3. Thank newspaper queen. Very good, Sanvi.
Tanvi, that was really great. Tanvi as Toro syrup.
Hi. Smile. Hi. Hi.
Bubble. Divi, look at her.
Congratulations, Vanshika.
Give a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Vanshika.
ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕರು ನಾನೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೂಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದವು. ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೋ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು ನನಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡೆಸಿದಾರೋ ಇದೇ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ತುಂಬಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ತುಂಬುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ತಿಳಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಒಂದು ಈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಾನತೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆರ್ತಂಥ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ವರ್ತನೆಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ತುಂಬ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಹಾಗೇನೆ.
ನಂದಿನಿ, ಭಾರತ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟಿವಿ, ಮೈಸೂರು.